Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. So we're in Standard of Excellence, Book 1, and this is called Climbing Stairs, introducing the A flat. Perfect fourth above the E flat. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. That's Climbing Stairs, introducing that A flat note. Now moving on to 63. And this is Bingo. The thing to watch out for in Bingo is at the end, you rest. Very last measure, you rest on beat 1. And you come in with 2, 3, to give the little trick for the whole Bingo song. Go. Medium speed. 1, 2, 3. And jumping down to 64 next. And that's oh. So there's music in the air, and there's the same music in the air. So you look closely at 64. And you're going to see that all the flats you have are in front of each specific pitch that you need. So your B flats and your A flats, they show you each of those in front of the specific pitch. And then in 65, which is the same song, they put your key signature at the far left, showing you the B's, E's, and A's are flat. And that is good through the whole line, pending key changes in that, which we'll talk about a little bit later. So here we go. There's music in the air. There's the same music in the air. And moving on now to 66. All right, so this is a scale skill. We're kind of working our way up, back down, up, back down. And let's check it out. And move on. Let's finish up with 67. So I'm kind of redoing these because I did them a few years ago. And as I've listened to them, felt I wasn't always as newer player friendly with the tempo as I should have been. I'm kind of redoing some of these. So here we go. Part A, all parts, A, B, C, and D, have the same 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Be careful not to clip the quarter note at the end. I'm going to do A twice, pause, do B twice, and then after I've done all parts A, B, C, and D, I'm going to do the whole thing, each one twice. So here we go, part A. Part B. Two, three, and D. One, two, part D, head. Parts A, B, C, D, straight through, each one repeated once. Right, thanks for watching. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.